Hello and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Today, we'll talk about the basics of essential documents in the trial master file before the clinical phase. More after the intro.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research.
In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the key documents that are crucial for evaluating the conduct of a clinical study and ensuring data quality assurance. Essential documents play a vital role in the successful management of clinical trials and are instrumental in demonstrating adherence to good clinical practice standards and other regulatory requirements. These documents are not only audited by sponsors' independent audit functions, but are also inspected by regulatory authorities to verify the validity of trial conduct and data integrity. The European Medicines Agency defines essential documents as those documents that individually and collectively allow for the evaluation of trial conduct and data quality. These documents are categorized into three sections. 1. Before the clinical phase. These documents are required prior to the commencement of the clinical trial and include the investigator brochure, signed protocols and amendments, informed consent forms, ethics committee approvals, and agreements between involved parties. 2. During the clinical conduct. These documents are necessary for the ongoing management of the trial and may include updates to the investigator brochure, ethics committee and competent authority approvals, ongoing product analysis and shipment information, monitoring visit reports, and communication influencing study conduct. 3. After completion or termination. These documents are essential for the finalization of the trial and include the final product accountability log, documentation of product destruction, subject ID code list for follow-up, audit certificates, closeout visit monitoring reports, and the clinical study report. It is important to note that the documentation requirements may vary depending on the nature of the study and the associated risks. A risk-proportionate approach is taken, where higher intervention studies necessitate more comprehensive documentation, while low-intervention trials may require reduced documentation. In this video, we will only look at the essential documents before the clinical phase and cover the other documents in other videos, so stay tuned. Before the clinical phase of a trial begins, several key documents must be obtained and filed. These documents serve as the foundation for the trial and ensure regulatory compliance and participant safety. 1. Investigator brochure and receipt forms. The investigator brochure provides essential information about the investigational product, including its composition, pharmacological properties, and potential risks and benefits. This document is crucial for investigators to gain a comprehensive understanding of the product before commencing the trial. 2. Signed protocols and amendments. Signed protocols and their amendments outline the objectives, methodology, and conduct of the trial. These documents serve as a blueprint for the study and provide clear instructions to investigators, ensuring consistency and standardization throughout the trial. 3. Informed consent form. The ICF is a critical document that outlines the study purpose, procedures, potential risks, and benefits. It ensures that participants make an informed decision about their participation and provides documentation of their voluntary consent. 4. Ethics committee approvals and competent authorities approvals. Ethics committee approvals and competent authorities approvals are essential documents that demonstrate compliance with ethical and regulatory standards. These approvals ensure that the trial is conducted in a manner that protects the rights, safety, and well-being of the participants. 5. Financial agreements and insurance statements. Financial agreements and insurance statements outline the financial aspects of the trial, including compensation for participants, insurance coverage, and indemnification. These documents ensure transparency and accountability in managing financial matters related to the trial. 6. Agreements between involved parties. Agreements between the investigator institution, sponsor, and any other involved parties are crucial for establishing clear roles, responsibilities, and expectations. These agreements outline the obligations of each party and ensure effective collaboration throughout the trial. 7. Laboratory documents. Laboratory documents, such as laboratory ranges, procedures, certificates, and accreditations, provide assurance of the quality and reliability of laboratory testing conducted during the trial. These documents contribute to the overall data integrity and accuracy. 8. Sample labels, handling instructions, and shipment documentation. Sample labels, handling instructions, and shipment documentation are essential for ensuring proper identification, handling, and transportation of the investigational product. These documents help maintain the integrity and traceability of the study samples. 9. Certification of analysis and decoding procedures. Certification of analysis of the product shipped to the sites ensures that the investigational product meets the required specifications. Decoding procedures for blinded trials are crucial for maintaining the blinding integrity and ensuring unbiased trial conduct. 10. Preclinical trial monitoring reports and trial initiation monitoring reports. Preclinical trial monitoring reports and trial initiation monitoring reports provide insights into the pretrial monitoring activities conducted to ensure site readiness and compliance with GCP standards. These reports help identify any potential issues or areas for improvement before the trial commences. By carefully compiling and organizing these essential documents before the clinical phase, trial teams can establish a solid foundation for the study and ensure regulatory compliance. These documents lay the groundwork for successful trial conduct and data quality assurance. As we conclude the first part of our exploration into the essential documents required for clinical trials, it's clear that meticulous preparation and comprehensive documentation are the bedrocks of any successful clinical study. The initial phase of compiling essential documents before the clinical phase sets the stage for a well-structured and compliant trial, ensuring that all regulatory requirements are met and that participant safety is prioritized. In the upcoming parts of this series, we will delve deeper into the documents required during the clinical conduct and after the completion or termination of the trial. We will examine how these documents contribute to the ongoing management and conclusive assessment of the trial, highlighting their importance in maintaining data integrity and ensuring ethical conduct throughout the study. Remember, the strength of a clinical trial lies not just in its scientific rigor, but also in its adherence to good clinical practice and regulatory guidelines, which is made possible through proper documentation. Stay tuned for our next videos, where we will continue to navigate the complexities of trial documentation and its pivotal role in the success of clinical studies. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on clinical research. We look forward to see you next time.